Hello everyone, today I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to implement a optical character recognition system in MATLAB. Okay, so let's just first run this file and see the output. Let's just run it up. This is basically the output. This is the input image which we were giving, and this is the output image. If you can see it, this was basically the input image and this is the output image. What we are doing in this, we are basically providing an input image which is in which it has written some characters like EST A67. So output image is recognizing the characters and extracting the characters and showing it up like EST A67 exactly. So let's just see how it is working. Okay, so here we are reading the image test2. In this basically we are testing the test2 image. Let's just test another image. Let's just do the testing part first. Okay, if you can see this three images which is the images which I have captured. So test1, test2 and test3. So let's just test one image and see the output. Just change it up to 1 and run it. So meanwhile it is running, let me tell you, the aim of this optical character recognition system is to classify optical patterns corresponding to alphanumeric or other characters. So you can see this is basically the input image and this is the output image. It is extracting the characters and displaying it exactly. Similarly, let's test another image, test 3. So it is working correctly. So let's come to the implementation part, how we implemented this. So in the first, I am reading the image. I am read by using I am read function. Then I am displaying the image by using I am show function with the title input image with noise. As you can see, input image with noise. Then I'm converting the image to the grayscale by using RGB to gray function. Then I am converting the grayscale image to the binary image by using BW function. This IM2BW is basically what it is doing. It is converts the grayscale image to the binary image by replacing all the pixels in the input image with luminance greater than the threshold. So in the next part we are removing all the objects containing fewer than 30 pixels by using beware open function. Then I'm storing the image as a matrix. Then then for the output part we are basically using fopen function. Then we are opening it, then loading the template and displaying the output. So that was the code, and you can modify it as according. Let me tell you, in the database part I have loaded a dataset of the characters and the numerical letters. That's how I trained my dataset, and that is how I have implemented optical character recognition system. Thank you for watching.